So, hello everyone, good. Welcome to lecture number 4 of your paper 1, that is algebra. And let's begin with the session. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll just share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Okay, and we had started with factorization in our previous class. And in today's session, we are going to complete this particular set of exercise, that is practice set 2.2. Okay, just let me select the pen and I'll switch off my video for better streaming and we'll go ahead with the session. So we have to complete this activity. Okay, now pay attention on the screen. It is very easy. First thing, you just need to find out the proper factors. Now in this case, here it's going to be root 2 into root 2. ऐसा कुछ है क्या? See the look at the question very carefully. This is our question. Okay. So our question is root 2x square plus 7x. So here it's going to be, pay attention. Here it's going to be root 2 into 5 root 2. Okay. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. Here it's going to be 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. Okay, and here I want 7. So here it going to be 5 into 2. So 5 plus 2 भी 7 आता है and 5 into 2 10 आता है. So here will it be 5x plus 2x, isn't it? So here it's going to be x in bracket root 2x plus 5, and here it's going to be root 2 into root 2x plus 5. So sorry for my voice. I am not well today. Okay, but I don't want to break the lecture series, so decided to record the session. Here it's going to be root 2x plus 5. Okay, as usual, root 2x plus 5. I mean, now either or will be 0. So here it's going to be root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 upon root 2, or x is equal to minus root 2. Therefore, minus 5 upon root 2 is and minus root 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, so this was the activity question which anyone can tackle, but I want you all to complete the remaining part. Remaining questions we will do in today's session. That is, just give me a moment. I'll just snip this question to my OneNote and we'll begin. So not more, only 5 questions are supposed to be done in today's session. So don't worry. And just give me a moment. I'll just change the question so that I don't have any issue with it. Let me shift that questions a bit and let me do the full screen and I'll just share my OneNote. Okay, I hope my OneNote is visible to everyone, and let me just do the full screen view and let us start solving the questions. Mind you, all the questions are very easy. Keep solving it on frequent basis. Okay, so eighth question here is, where are the questions gone? Did I paste somewhere wrong? Hey. Okay, anyway, so let's start with the eighth question. That is, I don't know, it's not loading properly. Okay, so eighth question is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here I want is 3 into 2 first term into constant which is equal to 6. Here I want is 2 root 6. तो 6 लाने के लिए मैं रूट 6 एंड रूट 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे 6 आएगा सिंस root 6 into root 6 is equal to 6. Okay, and here I want 2 root 6, तो इनको ऐड करो तो मुझे 2√6 मिलेगा, बट देयर इज द कंडीशन दोनों जगह माइनस आना चाहिए. ओके, देयरफॉर 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus root 3x into root 2 minus root 3x into root 2 plus root 2 into root 2 is equal to 0. If you think this is going bouncer, pay attention again. I didn't do anything. I just splitted this 2 in terms of root so that मुझे groups मिल जाएगा. So here I will get first this group, isn't it? Then I will get this group, and then I will get this group. Okay. Don't worry, such questions have limited chances to be asked in MCQ exam, but it's an offline exam. That is the favorite questions of teachers. So here it's going to be root 3x. In bracket, it's going to be root 3x minus root 2. And here it's going to be minus root 2 common आएगा, इधर आ जाएगा root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, here it would be root 3x minus root 2 or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. It means that root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, or here it would be root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, I can conclude one thing, that root 3x is equal to root 2. It simply means that x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. Similarly, root 2 upon root 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. I hope this question is clear. If you all are having any doubt, I'm always there. Please ask it in the comment section. And let's go ahead with question number 9. What is the question? 2m into m minus 24 is equal to 50. So 2m into m minus 24 is equal to 50. 2m into m minus 24, 2m into m minus 24 is equal to 50. Okay, now just bring it in the standard form. So here it's going to be therefore 2m square minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. It's going to be 50 into 2. So you can divide this first of all. So dividing both sides by 2, dividing by 2 throughout. Okay, therefore here it's going to be m square minus 24m minus 25. M square minus 24m minus 25 is equal to 0. So now you are going to have 25. So you have only one option, 25 ones are, since you require 24 here. Okay, and here it's going to be giving me 25. So just expand it. So here it's going to be, I'm continuing this side. Therefore, m square minus 25m plus m minus 25 is equal to 0. I hope there is no doubt up to here. If there's any queries, please feel free to asking. Free to ask me. Okay, please feel free to ask. Therefore, taking out m common, so here it's going to be m minus 25 plus 1 common. Here it's going to be m minus 25 is equal to 0. m minus 25 or m plus 1 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to 25 or m is equal to minus 1. ठीक है? Therefore 25 or minus 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, I hope you all are clear with this. Let's go for question number 10. Here is going to be 25 m square is equal to 9. Putting it in the standard form, 25 m square minus 9 is equal to 0. This is a square minus b square ka form if you look it carefully. So here it's going to be 5m square minus 3 square is equal to 0. So if you look at it, look carefully here. So here it's going to be, my OneNote is hanging a bit today, I don't know why. So here it's going to be a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b a minus b. There you can write here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. तुमको चाहिए तो लिख के रखो. This is of that form. So therefore here it's going to be 5m plus 3 is equal to 0 or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 5m is equal to 3 or 5m is equal to, so here it's going to be minus 3 and here it's going to be 3. Therefore m is equal to minus 3 by 5 or m is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, are roots of given quadratic equation. I hope it makes sense. Okay, let me just draw lines to avoid confusion, because once you all are asking for notes, there is a bit confusion to clarify the work. So that's the reason I always say please have a habit during writing during the lectures so that it's easy for us to understand. Okay, let's go ahead with the next question. See, this topic is very easy and easy. Okay, there's nothing difficult in this, it's only your state of mind. So now there are only two questions remaining, that is 11th and 12th. Let us quickly do that and we will wind up the today's session. Okay, I may leave you early today. I may leave you early today, a bit early, not so early, but a bit early. Okay, let's go for question number 11. I hope this color is visible. If not, do let me know. What is question number 11? It is 7m square is equal to 21m. 7m square is equal to 21m. 7m square minus 21m is equal to 0. Now here people will say again it is a plus b a minus b. No, my dear students, 21 is not a perfect square of something, no. So here it's going to be taking out common method. So here it's going to be 7m into m minus 3, which is equal to 0. Let's go to the next page, but next slide. So here it's going to be 7m is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. So here it's going to be m is equal to 0 by 7 or m is equal to 3. Okay, so 0 by 7 is of course 0. Therefore 0 comma 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, and let's go to the last question, that is m square minus 11 is equal to 0. M square minus 11 is equal to 0. What you can do here, you can take out here it can be like this. In this here it can be like this, m square minus root 11 the whole square is equal to 0. Okay, so here it would be a square minus b square. Therefore, here it would be m plus root 11 a plus b and e minus b, that is m minus root 11, which is equal to 0. Therefore, m plus root 11 is equal to 0, or m minus root 11 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to minus root 11, or m is equal to plus root 11. Okay. Therefore, minus root 11 comma root 11 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. So that's all from my side. Just give me a moment. There are few questions which I want you all to give you as practice questions. So just note down that questions. If you are interested to solve and mail me. I'll check it and return you back. Just give me a moment, students. Okay. And the questions which I want you all to solve as practice questions are, just give me a moment. There are many. So I'll just share the textbook. It's for practice. Do not copy or else it won't be of any use. This four questions. One, two, three, four, five. Five questions. Okay. So I trust you all that you will solve and submit. So this you can do as your assignment questions. Okay, and mail me out if you all want. They are good. With this, we complete practice set 2.2 in our lecture number 4. I guess this is the fourth lecture, right? In fifth lecture, I am planning to start with formula method and not with completing squares. Okay, completing square I will conduct next time and not now. Let's see how much time it takes. Until then, please take care of yourself. Meet you all soon and have a good day. And if you all want this notes, please mail me out. Just give me a moment. Okay. Chalo. Anyways. Bye bye.